Hi everyone. Welcome to our brand new YouTube channel. I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya. We're so excited to finally start this journey with you.
This channel is all about learning English the real life way, the English people actually use in their daily lives.
Whether you're just starting out or you're already advanced, we've got something for everyone, from A1 to C2. So, why should you watch us?
Many English learners focus too much on grammar books or memorizing vocabulary. That's important, of course, but real communication is much more than that.
On our channel, we focus on real conversations, daily life, work situations, family talks, love, travel, and even English from your favorite series and movies.
We'll teach you how people really speak, including common mistakes learners make, and how to fix them.
And the best part? Everything is organized by level: A1, A2, simple daily conversations, basic questions, and easy phrases; B1, B2, work conversations, hobbies, travel, and intermediate discussions; C1 is C2, advanced topics, nuanced conversations, and English from movies and series.
So no matter your level, you'll find podcasts that are just right for you. And we make sure everything is slow, clear, and natural so you can understand and enjoy.
Each episode is a mini podcast.
We'll speak naturally, just like in real life, then explain difficult words and phrases.
Sometimes we'll even act out short scenes, like a family dinner or a work meeting, so you can really hear English in context.
And don't worry if you miss something, we'll repeat, explain, and give examples.
Many learners make the same mistakes over and over, like translating word for word or being afraid to speak.
That's why we created this channel, to help you overcome those mistakes. Step by step, episode by episode, you'll gain confidence.
So if you want to speak English naturally, confidently, and in a way that's actually useful,
then hit that subscribe button and join our community. We grow together.
We can't wait to share our first real episodes with you. Welcome to the journey. Let's start learning English the real life way.